Hi, thank you for joining us today. A new uploaded video from the video series House Tours. Today the third part, small family homes with stylish interiors. Why again small home interiors? Because most of us know what it means to live in a small home interior and how difficult it is to create an elegant and stylish decor in a small living space, especially when you also need room for something else, such as storage space, a play space for little ones, or a home office. For this reason, we have selected here more than 50 creative and inspiring ideas that can help you to create an elegant, comfortable and stylish home interior, no matter how small it is. You will find here how to let the things which are surrounding you to come into their own by showing them into an elegant and chic lifestyle. The main idea is to combine different materials, objects, colors and patterns into a unique decor. The goal is to create existing and personal small living spaces with a stylish and elegant look. Do not be afraid to combine objects from different eras. In this way you can create small, unique, exciting and personal exhibitions. The result is again a beautiful and chic living space. So, watch our new uploaded video and enjoy another amazing selection of small home interiors, beautifully furnished and decorated. Get inspired by these creative designer ideas and turn your small home interior into an elegant living space. Just look at these beautiful home interiors. You can become your own little home stylist with these ideas. It is said that small touches give a home decor a little bit extra. It does not take too much to change your own home decor. With the help of a few elements and smart tricks, you can have a stylish home. And one of the smart tricks is to choose some wow decorative elements or furniture pieces that stand out and gives a nice and exclusive look. The first impression always matters, but let's see together several ideas from our video. Just look at this beautiful small living room in a beautiful combination of color, neutral gray, light blue and bright yellow, situated at first level with opening to a large balcony. This living space is comfortable and stylish. The ground floor of a small family home. You can see here a quite large open space with a stylish living area, beautifully furnished with a comfortable sofa, round coffee table, chair and floor puff ottoman. In this image you can see a large balcony terrace of a small detached family home furnished with stylish outdoor furniture. A sliding glass door leads you into a beautiful and elegant open space. Beautiful home interior in this image. You can see here a compact but elegant living room and the staircase that leads you to the next level where are the bathroom and the master bedroom. Here you can see the top floor of a beautiful home turned into an elegant living room with an eclectic style look. Large floor-to-ceiling windows and exposed wooden beams. Wood paneled walls in a grey color and laminate flooring throughout. A glass door leads you to a large balcony furnished with modern outdoor furniture. Living dining area of a small home, beautiful and stylish open space with high ceiling, large windows and gorgeous hardwood furniture. A beautiful large oil painting gives a classic touch to the decor. What is your opinion about this super kitchen and dining area? A beautiful combination of a traditional style kitchen with a large island and a Scandinavian style dining area furnished with a wood dining table and 6 modern chairs. Here you can see a stylish bedroom in a neutral color palette, white and grey hues, unusual furnishing idea that gives a unique look to the decor. Leather single size bed, leather bench, wooden nightstands, wall-mounted lamps and fur-covered chairs, large classic oil painting on the wall above the bed. Here in this image you can see a small but functional and elegant bathroom in grey and white with the walls covered with large grey tiles, glass enclosed shower cabin. Elegant kitchen dining room combination. Beautiful kitchen with the cabinet in 2 colors, grey and burgundy. Well chosen decorative accessories such as modern paintings and ceramic objects. Here you can see a beautiful master bedroom in a modern color combination with a large queen size comfortable bed, modern painting on the wall above the bed. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you soon. Bye.